what's up? It's me. It's super early, so I'm gonna get started with my eyebrows. So now I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Picasso palette. I'm gonna get this kind of like reddish one right here, and I'm gonna put it in my cut crease. No, hold on. Yeah, in my cut crease. Well, actually, I'm gonna put a shade lighter than that on under it. So I'm gonna go with the 35B palette, and I'm gonna use this one next to the yellow one. I'm gonna use this as transition color. Then under my brow, I'm just gonna go get that same one. Well, not the same one, but I'm gonna use the white one from the 35B. The white eyeshadow, the whitest that is there. I'm gonna go ahead and use the red one from this one, from the Morphe. And I'm gonna use the red, which is this one, of course. And that one, I'm gonna use darken it a little bit on the bottom. And then to clean my lid, I'm gonna go ahead and use the e.l.f. And then with another angle brush, a little bit bigger than the other one, I'm just gonna get in, start cleaning my lid. With a fluffy brush, I'm just gonna dip it into the 35B black. Oh my gosh, look at how pigmented that color is. This color is beyond gorgeous. And then to get closer on the lid, I'm gonna go ahead and get a smaller one, a smaller fluffy brush, dip it in the same black, and just get closer to the edges, like so. Oh my god, it looks like a heavy eyeliner. So my lids are done. Oh my god, it looks like a super heavy eyeliner, I swear. Just gonna darken up a little bit the red. And with the red one, I'm dipping it in the 35B palette from Morphe. I'm getting it to intensify the look. I'm getting that red and just tapping it. I'm not doing nothing else, just tapping the color. Okay. Now that that's done, I'm gonna get my glitters, and I'm gonna use the red one because I'm gonna do a cut crease in red. And I'm gonna use the NYX NYX glitter. As for my brush, I'm just gonna use a tiny one like this, just to dip in. I'm trying to do super careful that I literally don't mess up, because it has happened before. It's a little bit thicker, but that's fine. It looks okay. Under my waterline, I'm gonna use the NYX Jumbo White. I mean, black. I'm gonna use a pencil from e.l.f. My eyes are not used to in the morning to do makeup, so. But on my eyeliner, I'm gonna use NYX liquid eyeliner matte. For my lashes, I'm gonna use these ones that I built a while ago from Jewelry Box. I'm trying to curl them with nothing there. That's where it is. And for my glue, I'm gonna use the clear Ardell glue brush. Dude, these lashes are bomb. Like, you can't really see because of the glitter, but they are bomb. Now I'm gonna use my telescopic. I'm just gonna go over them with the mascara right quick to make sure they're blending with my lash. Like, look how good this telescopic mascara is. Like, I like it because it gets all my little hairs. Okay, so for my face, I'm gonna go ahead and use the 107 Infallible Pro Matte, this one right here. And the shade I'm gonna use 107. So let's get started before I get late to work. So I'm gonna use my Real Techniques brush, sculpting brush like this, and I'm just gonna kind of tap it and smear it at the same time. So as far as mornings, me recording live on Facebook is not gonna happen because my bird will not let me film. Then under my eyes, I'm gonna go with Revlon, and it's gonna be the shade 2, which is light, my photo ready concealer. It's funny, you can hear little by little everybody getting ready for work. Like, you hear the carts, you hear them talking, the neighbors. It's funny. They're arguing. That's funny. Like, man, it's too early for you guys to argue. Now I'm gonna get started with the contour. So usual, I'm gonna use my NYX to contour, and then I'm gonna use my brush that from e.l.f. It's gonna be 104. It looks like this. So I'm gonna use my translucent powder HD from NYX, and I must use my Sonia K brush, an angle fluffy brush. Just set under my eyes. And with my other brush, my other Real Technique brush, this one's gonna be Expert Face Brush, and it's a fluffy one. It's gonna blending everything. Hey. And then with my other elf, I'm just gonna use my bronzer. It looks like this. It has two palettes, but the other one I haven't used it. And I'm excited to use that one. I don't know when I'm gonna film the other one, but I like that palette. Just gonna bronze my forehead. My little tiny forehead. My sides. Side of my temples. And then for my blush, I'm gonna use this one that I got from Amazon, I think. No, eBay. And I'm gonna use this one, and this one. For my contour, I always use this brush, my oval brushes. Once I'm done with that one, I use my BH Cosmetics number 6 brush, the fluffier one. And then back with my other one, I'm just gonna kind of tap it in the middle and a little bit to the side so it can kind of erase the harsh lines. And then I'm gonna use a fluffier brush from e.l.f. as well. And this was gonna be 103. It looks like this. Just kind of dust off everything. For my highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Spotlight highlight, and it looks like this. You already know my next videos, but I'm gonna use. Let's go with Vivid. Like so. Oh, girl, that highlight. So as for my lips, I'm just gonna use a black lip pencil. Dang, super dark. Just how I like my makeup, dark. And then on top of it, I'm gonna go ahead and use Maybelline Pitch Black 845. It looks like this. And then I'm done this for my face. I'm just gonna go ahead and use NYX, the setting spray, matte. I'm getting my fan ready so I can. My bird's gonna scream, so beware. Nikki's just good. Okay, so that's it for my. Oh, I was like, what is that? I almost took it to work. So that's it for my face. I'm gonna put my wig and I'll be back with you guys. So give me a minute. Ta-da! So I'm ready. I'm done. I love this wig. Like, it's super volumed, super dark. Everything how I like about it. And can you see the red? Matches. It matches, girl. Okay, so that's it for my look for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a blessing day and a wonderful day, guys. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not so. And just like froze. So have a wonderful day, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit a likes button to my YouTube. To the bottom down below. I don't know why nothing's coming out as usual, but that's it, you guys. This is my final look. I love it. It's just dark. Just have a love like dark eyeshadow and all that. So super cute. So I gotta go now, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you, guys, and see you loves till next time. Thank you so much.